blown up more than 700 Russian armored vehicles, around 150 tanks, and dozens of helicopters and aircraft. And they say they've killed around 5,000 Russian troops, while 300 Ukrainian civilians have been killed. The government hasn't released information about military losses. Ukraine's President Zelensky, who has been speaking several times a day to keep his people united and show he's still in control, this morning said, "We stand firm. We have survived more than others have withstood in decades." Speaking in Russian, he called on Russian troops to drop their weapons and leave. Russia is advancing along 3 lines of attack, from the north to Kiev, the east to Kharkiv, and from the south to Mariupol. 3 routes that need resupply, and Russian logistics appear to be failing. Russian armored vehicles have been running out of gas, some stopping dead in their tracks by the roadside. A Ukrainian pulled up to one, recording. "Did you break down?" he asked Russian soldiers. "No diesel," one replies. "I can only tow you back to Moscow," the Ukrainian responds. But Putin still has a lot of military might to throw at Ukraine, with 1/3 of Russia's troops surrounding the country yet to be sent into battle. And outside of Kiev now is this menacing Russian convoy, a mile long, in strike.